We give you the power of a commercial kitchen outdoors. Our grills are built to consistently produce and maintain high heat and high volume fast. Swivel casters, 14-inch 7-spoke wheels, strong crash bar and handles allow for easy transport to any catering location and can be propane or natural gas. Individual controlled burners, each maintaining 15,000 BTUs, allow chefs full control, distributing the heat evenly across the grilling surface. The deep water tray allows moisture to lift into the food, enhancing the flavors. Falling grease is captured and extinguished, minimizing flare-ups. The large roll dome operates like a convection oven to maintain the heat. Our unique pin and slide system allows you to remove the lid for transport or to add a griddle plate. The entire grill, down to the bolts and washers, is 304 No. 4 finish stainless steel. Our industry-leading warranty includes lifetime on the body and cooking grates and 10 years on the burners. You never have to worry about rust, even after a good power washing. The 30, 36, 48, 60, and incredible 72-inch grills come tested and fully assembled by Crown Verity trained technicians and ready to perform any size event. Add to your grilling experience by pairing a Crown Verity grill to your specific application. Our Mobile Griddle series gives you greater versatility. Our Tough Pro series is designed for rentals and caterers. Our portable grills were created for mobility and ease of storage. For country clubs, we established our Club series, a special package including our most popular options. Our Hotel series provides built-in convenience for community grilling or backyard showcases. Designed for professionals, handcrafted to deliver maximum performance. Crown Verity. Brilliant for life.